Stop every clock, the stars are in shock. The river would run to the sea. I won't let you fly, I won't say goodbye. I won't let you slip away from me. Can you hear heaven cry? The tears of an angel. The tears of an angel. Tears of an angel. The tears of an angel. So hold on, be strong. Every day hope will grow. I'm here, don't you fear, little one. Don't let go.
You were mine. I want you back, Mommy.
Don't let go.
But Sandy would be proud of what you did.
You sacrificed yourself for me. I love you.
Phyllis, you are my best friend, but my best friend.